In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pivots to your Tradingview chart. Pivot points are an essential tool for traders, offering a simple way to identify potential support and resistance levels on your chart. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, knowing how to incorporate pivot points can improve your technical analysis and help you make more informed decisions. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set them up in Tradingview. If you're not already using Tradingview, it's a powerful charting platform, and you can find a link in the description to create your account if you need one. Now let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your browser and head to the Tradingview website. Once you're there, sign in to your Tradingview account. Signing in is important because it gives you access to personalized features, like saving your charts and settings. However, if you don't have an account, don't worry, you can still use many of Tradingview's features for free. Once you're signed in, look for the menu at the top of the page and click on the Products tab. This will show you a drop-down list of options. From here, select Chart. This is the section where you'll find all the analysis and charting tools you'll need, so it's the perfect starting point for our tutorial. Now that you're on the charting page, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of the chart window here. You'll see a variety of buttons, but the one we're focusing on is the Indicators button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a panel where you can search for and add technical tools to your chart. In the search bar at the top of the Indicators panel, type Pivot Point Standard. This is the tool we'll be using. By searching for it directly, you'll ensure that you're selecting the correct built-in version of the indicator. Once the results appear, locate Pivot Point Standard in the list. You'll know it's the right one if you see a blue tag labeled Built-ins next to its name. This tag confirms that it's the official version provided by Tradingview. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling or scroll through the list until you find it. Click on Pivot Point Standard to add it to your chart. As soon as you do, you'll notice new lines automatically appear on your chart. These lines represent the pivot points, as well as their corresponding support and resistance levels. Think of them as a visual guide to help you identify key areas where price movements might occur. Now, if you'd like to customize how these pivot points are calculated or displayed, you can do so easily. Look for the settings icon next to the indicator's name on the chart. This usually looks like a small gear. Clicking on it will open the settings panel. Here you can adjust things like the time frame or the calculation method used for the pivot points. For example, if you want to analyze daily pivot points, you can select the daily option. Alternatively, if you're more focused on longer-term trends, you can choose a weekly or monthly setting. Each option tailors the tool to fit your specific trading strategy, so feel free to experiment to see what works best for you. And that's it. You're now ready to begin analyzing your chart using the pivot points. These lines will help you identify potential reversal zones or areas where the price might consolidate, making them a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.